Now we're going to perform CRUD operations in MongoDB. CRUD means create, read, and write. So MongoDB provides two methods to perform create operation or insert methods, which is the first one is insert one, and insert2. Oh, not two, insert many, insert many. So if you want to insert a single record, you can use insert method. If you need to insert multiple record in a document, you can use insert many. Let's say we're gonna create our first users collection, and then we will use InsertOne and InsertMany. So I'm going to use my VS Code extension to work with. I have created a simple project. It's an empty folder. I want you to have Visual Studio Code. If you don't have, please download it. Go to your extension and find MongoDB. I have installed the extension, this one, MongoDB for VS Code. It helps to play around with MongoDB database. It's an easy to test APIs or MongoDB database queries. Let's start writing it. First, I think you should connect with MongoDB. I can say connect MongoDB. Make sure you have your connection string. If you don't have connection string, you can copy that from here and you gotta provide it here. Make sure you changed your password. I'm gonna change mine. Replace your DB password to this one. It will take some time to connect. Awesome. It has connected. I can say MongoDB fundamentals. You can rename your connection. I want you to create a playground. You gotta create a playground. You can store that playground in your database, in your local file, local project, local computer. Let me save that here in my MongoDB fundamentals code. I can say playground one. You can choose any name. I can say CRUD or insert.mongodb.js. That's it. You can create a new database by using the use command. Let's say I want to create a new database. I can say MongoDB fundamentals. So you can create the collection db.getCollection. It's gonna create automatically for you. Let's say I wanna insert a record. Here you will provide your document structure. You don't need to provide the ID. It will create that for you. I can provide my ID, email. I can provide simple email. You can also provide the name, Jane Doe, and you can also provide age 27, something like that. Or you can provide password 1 2, stuff like that. So we are using the InsertOne method, and here I can also get records here. db.getCollection, I think, oh, db dot, I think I can use that, db dot. Let's test this one first. You can run your playground. You can see a new user has inserted or created, acknowledged true, and I got the ID. We can also verify from our database here. If you refresh your database, you will see a MongoDB fundamentals database, and we have a users collection. Inside the users collection, we have a user document. You can view document in this way. You can also clone, edit, copy, clone, and delete the document by using MongoDB Compass. That's very helpful tool. Let's use another method. I would like to insert multiple users. It will accept the array, and I can copy that. Let's change the email, password, Jane2. So now we are going to insert two records. I'm gonna comment this one. We also created the database, otherwise it will create it again. So I'm gonna comment this one, use MongoDB fundamentals. Or I think I should provide the database name. Yeah, otherwise it will not work. Now you should see two new users. We can verify that. You can also write query here on the based on jane2 at gmail.com, whatever you want to set your criteria. We'll talk more about queries later, but we have 3 users right now. You can see that it also created the unique ID. MongoDB follows this format. It's a object ID, it's a unique ID, and they consider it's an object ID. So we used insert and InsertMany method. Next we will focus more on other methods like query methods, embedded documents, or some simple query methods, all these query operations.